Changing your bank account information on CVS Caremark is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the CVS Caremark website and log in using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to proceed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use CSRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Payment Information or Bank Account Details. Click on this to access your current bank account information. Step 4. Update your bank account. Enter your new bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. By following these steps, you can easily update your bank account information on CVS Caremark. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.